Front doors.
The front door panel is attached to the door with 4 screws, all Torx 20. The first screw is located on the power window control console. Simply remove the small cover and then unscrew the screw. Screws 2 and 3 are freely accessible on the outside of the panel. The fourth screw is also freely accessible and can be removed. Before you remove the panel, remove the cover around the inside door handle. Simply pry out the edges with a screwdriver. You should also remove the inner cover above the panel beforehand. Pull it firmly. It is attached to the door with 2 clips. Lastly, we take out the window regulator switch gate. It's just plugged in and you can pull it up out of the panel. To unplug, pull out the blue lock. The plug then comes out by itself. Disconnect the 2 small plugs by pushing and pulling. Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Unfortunately, the fairing on the C3 is very tight. It is therefore an advantage to use a suitable tool for unclipping. Link in description. When removing the panels, it is best to always start at the lower, inner end.
Rear doors.
The rear door is actually almost exactly the same. Only there are 3 screws here and not 4. So remove all screws. Remove and disconnect the window regulator control. Remove the cover for the internal control. Remove the top cover and unclip the panel. That's it. Good luck doing it yourself.